Have you ever woken up in the morning hoping to feel that natural surge of energy and firmness you once had, only to find that your body does not respond the way it used to? For many men over 50, morning erections become less frequent, less strong, or fade too quickly. And while it is easy to blame age alone, the truth is that there are natural, practical ways to wake up stronger. And one of them has nothing to do with pills or complicated routines. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and today I want to share with you 3 secret pressure points that can help boost circulation, stimulate energy, and support firmer, more reliable morning erections. These pressure points are simple to use, safe, and can be activated in just a few minutes each day. By the time we finish, you will know exactly where they are, how to use them, and how they can become part of your daily routine for better performance and vitality. Let us start with the big picture. Erections are all about blood flow. When you are aroused, blood vessels open up, blood rushes into the penis, and firmness is achieved. After 50, circulation naturally slows. Blood vessels lose some of their flexibility, and hormones like testosterone may begin to decline. This combination makes morning erections less dependable. The good news is that acupressure, using gentle pressure on specific points in the body, can help improve circulation, relax blood vessels, and stimulate the nervous system to respond more effectively. The first pressure point I want to share is located in the lower back, right in those small dimples just above the hips. If you place your hands on your waist and let your thumbs drift slightly downward toward your spine, you will find the spot. In traditional Eastern medicine, this area is connected to what is called kidney energy, and kidney energy has long been considered the foundation of sexual vitality. While Western medicine uses different language, the principle is very similar. This region is closely tied to circulation, nerve pathways, and muscle tension in the pelvis, all of which play a key role in erection strength. By gently massaging or applying pressure to these dimples, you are doing more than just pressing on the skin. You are helping to stimulate blood flow into the pelvic region, encouraging relaxation in the lower back and hip muscles, and creating a sense of warmth and openness in an area that often becomes tight with age. Many men over 50 develop stiffness in the lower back from long hours of sitting, reduced flexibility, or even arthritis. That stiffness can restrict circulation and reduce the nerve signals that travel into the pelvic area. Pressing on this point helps to loosen that tension, almost like releasing a valve, so blood can move more freely. I recommend setting aside a few minutes in the morning to focus on this area. You can do it while standing, lying on your back, or even sitting in a chair if that feels more comfortable. Place your thumbs into the dimples of the lower back and press gently but firmly. You want to feel some pressure but never pain. Hold it steady for about 10 to 15 seconds, then slowly release. Breathe deeply as you do this because deep breathing enhances circulation and helps your muscles relax even further. Repeat this process several times, and if you like, add small circular motions with your thumbs as you press. Over time, this becomes more than just a physical exercise. It is a ritual that helps your body wake up, improves pelvic circulation, and sets the stage for firmer, more dependable morning responses. It is simple, it costs nothing, and it only takes a few minutes, but when practiced consistently, it can have a surprisingly powerful effect on your energy and vitality. The second pressure point is located just below the navel, about 2 inches down in the lower abdomen. In traditional medicine, this spot is often referred to as the energy gate because it is thought to hold the body's core vitality and sexual stamina. Even if you are not someone who follows ancient practices, modern physiology supports the idea. This area is closely tied to the muscles, blood vessels, and nerves that supply the prostate and the penis. By stimulating it, you are essentially waking up the body's center of power. To use this pressure point, place 2 or 3 fingers gently on the spot and apply steady, firm pressure. Breathe slowly as you hold it. You can also make gentle circular motions with your fingertips to encourage even more circulation. The key here is patience. Do not press quickly and let go. Instead, hold the pressure for a minute or two, allowing your body to respond. I recommend doing this practice either upon waking to prime the body for stronger blood flow in the morning or before bed when your body is preparing for its nightly recovery cycle. Many men notice that when they make this a consistent routine, not only does their pelvic circulation improve, but they also feel a calmer, steadier energy throughout their body. This is because stimulating this point may help balance the nervous system, reducing stress and tension while also encouraging more vitality. When stress is lower and circulation is stronger, erections tend to happen more naturally and with less effort. Over time, this simple practice can become a grounding ritual, one that supports both your prostate health and your overall energy. Now, let us move to the third pressure point, which is located on the inner leg. To find it, measure about 4 finger widths up from the ankle bone, just behind the shin bone. This point has long been connected to reproductive health, hormonal balance, and circulation in the pelvic region. In fact, it is one of the most commonly used points in traditional acupressure for supporting sexual function and vitality. To activate it, sit comfortably so you can easily reach your lower leg. Using your thumb or fingers, press firmly but gently into the spot. Hold the pressure for about 10 seconds, then release and repeat several times on each leg. You should feel a sense of relaxation or even a subtle warmth as the blood flow improves. If you like, you can also massage the point in small circles rather than just pressing. This pressure point is especially useful to activate in the evening. Doing it before bed prepares your body for better blood flow during the night, which in turn supports the natural occurrence of morning erections. Think of it as setting the stage. You are helping your circulatory system relax and open up so that while you sleep, blood can move more freely into the pelvic area. Over time, this can make morning erections stronger, more frequent, and more reliable. Another added benefit is that this point also helps with overall energy and hormonal balance. Many men notice that regular stimulation of this area not only supports sexual health, but also leaves them feeling more stable and less fatigued throughout the day. When practiced consistently, it becomes a quiet but powerful tool for maintaining strength and vitality well past the age of 50. Now, you may be wondering, can something as simple as pressing on these points really make a difference? The answer is yes. When combined with healthy habits, acupressure works by relaxing blood vessels, calming the nervous system, and increasing circulation. It is not a magic trick, but rather a way of helping your body return to balance. When you pair these pressure point exercises with good hydration, regular movement, and restorative sleep, you create the perfect environment for your body to respond more strongly in the morning. Another benefit of these pressure points is that they do more than just support erections. They also relieve stress, reduce tension, and improve energy throughout the day. Stress is one of the hidden enemies of sexual health because it increases cortisol, a hormone that directly interferes with testosterone. By taking a few minutes to activate these points, you are not only boosting circulation, but also calming stress hormones, which is just as important for performance. The key, as with most things in health, is consistency. Doing these exercises once or twice may give you a small improvement, but making them part of your daily routine can create real, lasting change. Think of them like brushing your teeth. Each time may feel small, but over time, the benefits add up and protect your health in powerful ways. So, here's what I encourage you to do. Starting tonight, take just 5 minutes to try these 3 pressure points. The dimples at the lower back, the spot 2 inches below your navel, and the inner leg above the ankle. Apply gentle pressure, breathe deeply, and let your body respond. Over the coming weeks, notice how your mornings begin to change. Many men find that their energy improves, their confidence returns, and their mornings feel more like they used to. I want you to remember this. Age does not mean losing your vitality. Your body is still capable of strength, energy, and intimacy. You just need to support it in the right ways. Pressure points are one of the simplest tools you can use to improve circulation and restore balance. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more practical, natural advice on men's health after 50. Take care of yourself because with the right